Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I have another EV play here. This is VALE, V-A-L-E, and that is also the ticker. You can see what this one's done here today. Kind of a nice run-up. This is kind of the last month, kind of up and down, pretty much trading kind of flat, and then down a little bit, if you will. The last week has been trading kind of down as well. But this is what it's done here today. If you don't know what this one is, it's in the production and exploration of iron ore, pellets, manganese, and iron alloys, which are raw materials needed for steelmaking. It operates through the following segments: ferrous minerals, coal, and base metals. The ferrous minerals segment includes the extraction of iron ore and the production of pellets, manganese ore, iron alloys, and coal and logistics services. The coal segment comprises the extraction of coal and its logistics services. The base metals segment involves the production of non-ferrous minerals, which include nickel. So this is the one that caught my eye, nickel, for batteries for EVs, copper, and aluminum. The company was founded on June 1st, 1942, and headquartered in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And this is founded in 1942, and a $91.90 billion market cap, and you also get a dividend. So for you people that like dividends, you get a kind of a decent little return there on your money for a dividend. Got pretty good ratings, 86% ratings. And this is just another look here on Bing. Again, it's a multinational corporation engaged in minerals and mining, and one of the largest logistics operators in Brazil, formerly Companhia VALE do Rio Doce, and the largest producer of iron ore and nickel in the world. So that's the part that caught my eye on it, was the nickel. VALE stock sinks as market gains. What you should know, and this is just a day ago, closed the most recent day trading at $17.01, moving down 1.39% from previous trading session. The change lagged the S&P's daily gain of 0.7. At the same time, the Dow added 0.32%, and tech-heavy NASDAQ gained 1.23%. Coming in today, shares of the company had lost 4.06% in the past month, and in that same time, the basic materials sector gained 1.5%, while the S&P gained 0.18%. Investors will be hoping for a strength from VALE as it approaches its next earnings release. In that report, analysts expect VALE to post earnings of $1.07 per share. This would mark a year-over-year growth of 1,428.57%. Meanwhile, the Zacks consensus estimate for revenue is projecting net sales of $13.84 billion, up 98.58% from a year ago period. For the full year, our Zacks consensus estimates the projecting earnings of $4.13 per share and revenue of $52.6 billion, which would represent changes of a plus 95.73% and 31.4% respectively the prior year. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. The Zacks ranks system ranges from 1 to 5. It has remarkable outside audited track records, with number one stocks delivering an average annual return of plus 25% since 1988. Over the past year, the Zacks consensus EPS estimate has moved 21.54% higher. VALE is moving a Zacks rank of a 3 or a hold right now. and a little bit digging into the valuation, the PE, and feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Interesting VALE put and call options for May 21st. So if you're looking to get into this one, and if you do options, you might check the puts and the calls. VALE saw new options become available this week for the May 21st expiration. Our yield boost formula has looked up and down the VALE options chain for the new May 21st contracts and identified one put and one call contract of particular interest. The put contract at the $16 strike price has a current bid of 82 cents. If an investor was to sell to open that put contract, they are committing to purchase the stock at $16, but will also collect the premium, putting the cost basis of shares at $15.18 before broker commissions to an investor already interested in purchasing shares of VALE. That could represent an attractive alternative to paying $16.70 per share today. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. And again, you can find this on NASDAQ.com. Back to Reddit. 23 days ago, favorite place in the game. Snow elves. We'll check stock twits here. And as you can see, currently it's at $17.02, $18 coming. It's green day, meaning red tomorrow. Don't forget to hedge. If you're a bull, that's cool, but learn to hedge your longs with short-term puts. Here's a 2022 option, $32. Great day to load up. So there is people doing options on this, as you can see here. I buy a few shares every time it drops under 17. Dividends on Monday was nice. And back to tip ranks, and currently at 1701. And analysts are projecting $23.04 with a strong buy. Out of 11 analysts, 10 are showing it a buy and 1 is a sell. High of $25.50 and a low of $18.30. So I think there's something to be said about this particular company, and like I said, it does give a dividend, and it's been around for quite a while. So might be worth looking into. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. Just stating an opinion and totally being optimistic about the EV market. So, and the way I look at it, now is a good time to get in on the ground floor. But I don't tell you when to buy or sell. That's up to you to do your own homework. So, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me. As well as subscribing. That would really help with the channel. And go ahead and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. And I thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.